Hey guys, in this video I'll show you on how to design on CAD and make bearing conic stand. So please don't forget to subscribe to help official. So here's the drawing, then we start. So open, select the plane, make a circle, diameter, then press fall. Alright, then again, diameter, so press fall, some degree. Alright, so here's the view, then again diameter. Alright, degree. Alright, then reduce 3 and 2. Okay, so here's the complete part. Alright, this is the view, then render. Alright, so now we will make on actual, so we will fabricate this on lathe machine. Alright, so here's the completed parts. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you will be updated in my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.